is over. Now it's time to conclude the meeting. We should like to express our gratitude to our chief guests who have blessed the function with their esteemed presence. They spend their valuable time with us at least for 2 hours. It's a grace of God. Now with much pleasure, I invite Kumari Nidhi DS of Standard 6 to propose a vote of thanks.
Good evening, children and all. Esteemed dignitaries on the dais, dear audience, and my dear friends. As this most memorable 45th annual day meeting is about to be concluded, I consider that's a fortune for me to propose a word of thanks. I would like to express a few words of gratitude to all of you. With much pleasure, I shall carry out my duty. First and foremost, it's my duty to thank our beloved Reverend Sister Mary Dominic DM who gave the keynote address. Your inspiring words are really mind-blowing. I think your presence itself is a great blessing on this day, which presents everlasting memories for the 45th annual day celebration. Your flow of words like a stream made us think aloud and mentioned about the importance of family. At this gracious moment, on behalf of our school, I extend my sincere gratitude to you, sister. Now, I am bound to express my gratitude to our Nemluvang Panchayat Vice President, Sri Chandran Nair, who is always a well-wisher of our school and supports us to a greater extent. With love and appreciation, at this auspicious moment, I would like to convey my heartfelt gratitude to you, sir. Also, I am most pleased to thank our Malangi Gram Panchayat President, Srimati Valsala Kumari ma'am. As the authority of the Panchayat, your presence in this meeting is most desired. You are always a well-wisher of our school and support us in our school activities. On behalf of our school, I would like to convey my heartfelt gratitude to you, ma'am. Now, with much pleasure, I would like to extend my gratitude to our beloved PT President, Sri Ablash Diya sir, who is always a well-wisher of our school and take initiative in almost all the activities of our school. At this gracious moment, we remember your selfless efforts, and on behalf of our school, I would like to convey my sincere gratitude to you, sir. Now, it's my turn to thank our beloved local manager, Reverend Sister Alfie Maria DM, who is always interested with the affairs of children and gives strong support to the activities of our school. I take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude to you, sister. By celebrating this annual day, my foremost wish to thank our beloved mistress, Reverend Sister Jobin Teres DM, in your absence. Your selfless and devoted efforts totally changed the face of our school within a short period. You are aware of each and every student and parent of our school. Individual attention is your most powerful weapon. We are so proud of getting such an eminent personality as our headmistress. At this gracious moment of celebrating this annual day, I consider it as a privilege for me to extend my heartfelt gratitude to you, sister. By celebrating this annual day, I am pleased to thank our most beloved Reverend Sister Mary Stephen DM, who is in charge of our school now. We can experience punctuality, devotion, care for the children, politeness, and above all your enthusiasm in carrying out your responsibilities. Within a short period, you become an unavoidable part of our school, trying to lead the children to the right path of virtue. Your guidance and support puts a profound influence in the children. At this precious moment, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to you, sister. It's my pleasure to thank our beloved Sister Rashmi Thomas DM, who is in charge of the nursery section. Her love towards small kids is really praiseworthy. Your service to our school is a blessing to us. On behalf of our school, I extend my sincere gratitude to you, sister. Also, it's my pleasure to thank our beloved Sister Karma Jos DM, who carries the account section of our school in a systematic way. You also give full support in our school activities in a quite satisfactory way. On behalf of our school, I would like to convey my heartfelt gratitude to you, sister. We are show that day by day we are reaping the best fruits of education. It's only because of the strong support we get from the management. While celebrating this annual day, it's my foremost duty to thank the management for the timely support given to us. We are provided with all the facilities that can be seen in the two Prague city schools. We students are most versed in studying highly developed high-tech school in this remote area. May God bless us to raise the school into a higher secondary level. The selfless support from the management to the school is beyond words of estimation. I take this opportunity to thank the management for all the support given to us. Now, with much pleasure, I would like to extend my gratitude to all the respected fathers and sisters who extended their valuable service for us with their moral and spiritual support, especially for the Sam Legada, our chaplain. With much pleasure, I extend my sincere gratitude to one and all of you. It's also my pleasure to thank all the PTA members and parents who with much hopes and aspiration took admission for their wards in our school. You are all a source of inspiration for the development of our school. Your timely advice and healthy criticism is really enhancing the standard of our school. We extend our sincere gratitude to all of you. It's a pleasure to thank all my dear teachers who are rendering valuable service for us. It's your efforts that help us to achieve a lot. Certainly, the teachers are giving valuable service for laying a strong foundation of education in children. You are able to lead the children to the right path of virtue. Dear teachers, you are always taking efforts to form us like shining stars wherever we are. At this auspicious moment of celebrating this annual day, I extend my sincere gratitude to each and every one of you. It's very suitable to thank all the non-teaching staff who is always taking care of us. I remember the valuable service with gratitude. It's your efforts that provide a clean and peaceful atmosphere here. At this gracious moment, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to one and all of you. Dear parents, I'm extremely happy to thank you for choosing this blessed and excellent institution for our schooling. Your guidance and support to us is praiseworthy. Your cooperation with this school is especially to be noted. I extend my sincere gratitude to all of you. We are most inspired by the former students who remember their basic education got from the school. It's due to the quality of the basic education embedded from this school. A good number of former students are here to share their joy in this special day. Thank you very much for coming here. Now, it's my pleasure to thank all my dear friends who have worked a lot throughout these years with the guidance given by sisters and teachers, satisfying the words of Benjamin Franklin. An investment in knowledge always pays the best interest. Certainly, we are investing in knowledge and get the best interest. I would like to extend a heartfelt thanks to the team responsible for the decoration of the stage, as well as sound lighting crew for the outstanding effort in creating a visually stunning and seamlessly coordinated atmosphere that has truly enhanced our 45th annual day celebration. I extend my sincere thanks to them. Now, it's my turn to thank our all dear neighbors for always the wishes of our school. Extending my sincere thanks to each and every one of you, I conclude my